Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci.
I'm about to close it up so you know that we're recording.
You gonna put that on Facebook?
YouTube?
YouTube.
I feel like I'm on my phone or doing something.
Yeah, no.
I know it. I think I should do some more. I should do some more.
You some more.
Some more money.
Yeah, but can you get in trouble?
I can't. This money that you can buy from Amazon, you can't get in trouble for this.
Where you buy it?
Somebody gave me this so I can do my videos and stuff. I need the food. I'm gonna put 2 of them. Alright, I'm put. Oh shit!
This is
Be quiet. Ignore me.
where you put the money at?
It's right on the seat. It's right there. You make it obvious. Just cheap.
Oh, you got it on the floor.
It's on the seat.
It's on the floor.
It's on the seat. Be quiet. It's on the seat.
Okay.
She get out the car. Be quiet. And I feel like I'm on the phone with Nicole, so she won't think.
Hey, cuz.
Hey,
Come on in.
where?
No, in the, yeah.
Hey, cousin. How you doing?
Hi, baby, give me a kiss.
I miss you so much.
Girl, you look just like your goddamn mom. God damn.
I do get that a lot, me and Nicole. They say we look just like mom.
Mama crazy with him.
Heck yeah. How you been?
I'm blessed. I'm trying to make it.
I know that's right.
About to try to move again.
So, what's your son name? James?
Molly, I'm the one
I'm talking about the one that look just like you. What's his name?
Steve.
Oh,
She said burger. Someone on the surgery on the back.
How your mom doing?
I'm doing fine.
Oh, I talked to Germany. I guess his name Jeremy.
Oh my God, turning bad up crazy.
Ah, he had a little daughter. That's your nephew, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my nephew. That's my German, my brother.
For real?
Yeah, that's my brother.
Oh, you right.
Who did that?
I did.
Baby.
Mm-hmm.
Took you how long?
It took me like 2 days. So I was stopping, eating, and doing all that stuff. But
Hi there. Where my dog at?
Hey, what's up, lady?
Where my dog at, babe?
Got his lazy ass sitting up under the heater in there.
Why you gotta be lazy? They take my baby to the vet, got me.
right, Scrappy, he love you.
He love who?
You.
Oh, baby got him a car?
Who be Dave?
That's my truck.
That's your truck.
Yeah.
You be driving? Boom, man.
Who?
No, I don't be driving. He be driving.
Where the other place was at?
She over her friend house. They had barbecue and stuff today.
They're coming to
So they just having a good time. I should have went over there. I was supposed to did a little recording and stuff. You know.
Oh, you
But I
didn't
ain't-
take your camera where we go?
Yeah. I was supposed to did that. I was supposed to do a little video, but I'm too tired. I might wait till tomorrow.
Man, don't have him up on me.
Oh heck no. Nah, cousin, but you gotta get in one of my videos one day.
Yeah, one day.
Heck yeah.
You can pay yet?
No, not yet. Soon though.
Oh, you know how to do it?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
That guy was crazy. He he whooped that boy ass. He whooped him.
That's some better boy. That video be just bad about that.
Yeah, he whooped that boy.
Why he whip that boy like that?
Man, he whooped him bad. I said, oh shit, he whooped him so bad.
Then he got paid for that.
Heck
That man
yeah.
crazy.
No,
That
he
motherfucker
ain't
take that
crazy.
money shit.
Oh no, that YouTube is the way to go. Plus, he got all the clout on social media. So heck yeah, he's good.
He got clout.
Heck yeah, them girls love him. All them little girls love him.
I don't follow him on what's mine.
Well, on Instagram,
Man,
yeah, he got I think he had like over 200,000.
what?
Yeah.
On no, and but on YouTube. I mean, what's that?
On Instagram and YouTube, that boy famous. You know that?
Damn.
Yeah. He with the big popular people. Yeah, that boy famous as heck.
Yeah, that's
Damn.
People watching him.
That's something.
For real, that boy doing good.
And they flew him to Florida to fight that fight.
Huh?
They flew him to Florida, Miami to fight that fight.
He did good too. Everybody, a lot of people's putting money on that fight. Like people that got millions. Like,
For real?
heck yeah.
I well did they?
Yep.
That's right, cuz.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Probably do.
Yeah.
I know.
Lot of-
Hey, half of the world ain't got no goddamn
What
fight.
y'all
That's
talking about?
true.
A bean? What
It's like
Make sure you hit that motherfucker.
it's a red bean.
Oh, that's a
Why did they do?
They are on nickel.
The silence.
But that happened in the United States.
That's
ain't
like
got
if
no
you
goddamn- Then they gonna get mad because I won't get with you. I don't like you like that.
Right, men don't understand it.
They don't understand that. I can't wait to see this baby. How old was her baby? I mean, how many more months she gets to go?
I think she got like she got like 4 more months to go.
She's swung.
Her stuff.
Nah, but she just gonna pop.
June.
Yeah, she doing June, but her stomach. I mean, everybody say it's big, but it's like
Not to you.
2,000 years later.
Everybody talking about the fat Michigan. Y'all bring your ass
But
out
all
of Michigan.
their ass is coming back here. Right?
That's
To the
because
Motor City.
that's right, because they don't know what the fuck going on. You know, you going down there and you don't know what the fuck going on. They ain't telling you
You
what's
gonna
really
go out
going
there
down
with
there.
them floods and all that bullshit.
That hurricanes and shit. We ain't had
All
that.
that
This
shit.
so far?
yeah.
Where you work at?
Shoot, nowhere right now.
You got the goddamn car.
Heck yeah, I had my car for like 3 years, 4 years. Heck yeah, 3 or 4 years, baby.
That baby gonna be rotten.
She is. We love you, cousin. Be good, okay?
Hey, look. I ain't trying to go lay down. Unless somebody try to put me down.
I know that's right, baby.
Okay, love you, cuz. Get your eyelashes.
Looking all pretty and stuff. So you looking all pretty and stuff. We going on a date?
Hell no.
No.
We got plain eyelashes on though.
Yeah. Oh, we got the same eyelashes. I'm screaming. Dog, we got the same eyelashes.
I just be below.
That's so crazy.
They gonna take this bitch up.
Yeah,
Since you gonna give him the goddamn
girl, go now.
what's that, Jack?
Yeah, like people for here.
When they going there?
Huh?
When they going there?
I don't know, just call me cuz. You hear me?
All right. Where your son at?
Bad.
Oh, he in bed? Then bitch said being bad.
Being big.
They're chilling. Feeling like a villain.
Where is the other boy still been locked up?
Oh,
Pooh
yeah,
Bah.
he big. Not Pooh Bah.
You remember?
No, he ain't locked up.
Oh, okay, he's pay out the play. He ain't cook. I lost my mind for 3 days. I got it back now.
That motherfucker better get his mind right, cause I
jumped off the roof. He said, I said,
Yeah,
you
I
back there.
got no
He said, what you gonna
money
do,
for
jump
his
with me? I said, hell no, I got your money back, gave it.
You better jump by himself.
They Yeah, that shit crazy as hell.
Oh, baby, let me go. I know the
Okay, look, cuz.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Okay, call me. Okay, watch your hand, honey. I got it.
Okay.
All right, baby.
Okay.
All right. Did you take it?
Wait, we gonna wait till she pull up. She know how to fight. Real scared.
I hope you don't give him the fake money.
Oh, she probably. Damn. I hope she thought not either.
Let me tell her
Mm-mm.
the prank.
No. We don't know she took it yet.
You probably keep that for herself. Tell all this shit.
See you. Her little ass took my money.
She did.
Hold on. Oh, wait. She probably looking. Oh, you got to wait.
No, she was stuffing something down there. I don't know.
You have to see. That motherfucker gone.
She took it.
Yeah.
The gas.
She not. She gonna keep it for herself. Why would she get the man? So y'all, her crazy. Y'all, she didn't take the honey. Cause why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Damn.
Who told you to take my $100 bill? Why would you do that?
You don't put that on there.
I don't know, but y'all, I guess my cousin, I guess she failed the loyalty test because she's supposed to give my $100 back. Why would you take my $100? What if I needed that? What if my kids needed some Pampers or some milk? Or why would you do that, cousin?
Damn.
So yeah, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers.